Hello people of YouTube, I am here with another LEGO Star Wars review. So this is the Tatooine Battle Pack, new for this year. And I'll head straight into the minifigures. So we get two Jawas, basically identical except for their torso. Let's see if I can turn them over. Back printing, different as well. And they have the electric shocker guns. I forgot what they're actually called. To stun the droids. It comes with a Tusken Raider. Nice molded head. Staff. Leg printing and back printing. And this is a great step up from the original version of the Tusken Raider, as you can clearly see. And an R2 unit, which I'm pretty sure everyone knows what they were trying to do with this. This is probably supposed to be the R2 unit that had a bad motivator and A New Hope, but the headpiece neither is the right color nor is it the right shape, because it's like the more like box-like shape, and it's not all red. It's white with red details. But I still like that edition. Let's move those out of the way. And it comes with a little speeder. I mean, it's meant to be like a sand crawler, but you know, battle pack, so it can't be too accurate. But it does come with a little crane, spins full 360 degrees, goes up and down, and you could put the R2 unit on that faucet piece right there. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Almost got it. Oh, come on. Dang. Well, stop for a second. Come on. There we go. See? So you could drive it around, and the vehicle itself also comes with the stunner guns on both sides. A little space for the Jawa to drive, and comes with a wrench right there, and move, and hammer right there, both on clips. I like how they use the Technic piece as like the what's it called? The tracks, I guess, or the you know what I mean? The thingies. Yeah, that's really it to the set. Yeah, let's get this guy there. See, and on this stud you could probably put this guy on there too, just because. But yeah, that's pretty much the whole set. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, and goodbye.